The Portchester Historical Society presents History in a Bottle. This is a bottle of, as we can see, pale orange bitters from Field, Son and Company on 28 Mincing Lane from London, England. And you can see right here that it was awarded the Grand Prix prize at the Franco-British exhibition. So we know that this is a bottle from after 1908. But in fact, Field & Sons predates this by quite a bit. Here's a commemorative stamp from the Franco-British exhibition, which was one of the first of its kind and was held in London. Here's a current map of London where you can see the Tower of London, the Thames, and Mincing Lane. And here's an 18th century high-resolution map showing you all the buildings on Mincing Lane. This is an 1899 post office directory of Mincing Lane in London, which was a hub for tea and spice brokers. And right down there at the bottom, at number 28, you can see Field, Son and Company. Looking through the directory is like taking a walk through the industrial past. You can see Thew and Steeble gum merchants, which at this point would have meant chicle, which comes from trees from South America. James Renshaw, a drug broker. George Dix, a colonial broker, and William Holder & Sons, purveyor of sulfuric acid. Here we can see James Graves, a wharfinger, and Dalton & Company, merchants of iron oxide. There are some familiar names too, such as Tetley, tea merchants. And here's another familiar name, Lipton. And in between the indigo brokers, the sherry shippers, the gas fittings manufacturers, and the cigar importers, we see Eugène Clicquot, champagne grower. I think it would take a brave soul to drink from this, considering that the contents have turned to a gelatinous mass at the bottom. But we sure hope you've enjoyed learning from it.